Hello guys, let's solve this equation. Here we have x square root of x is equal to 2. Now to solve this, we have to remove this x by the left hand side. And when we do that, we'll divide both sides by x. So let's divide both sides by x. Okay? Divide here by x. Divide here by x. Now this x cancel this x. We are left with root x is equal to 2 over x. Okay, now to eliminate a square root, you apply square. So now let's apply square here. All squared is equal to 2 over x all squared. Now this square will cancel this one. This square will cancel here. Then we are left with x root x is equal to 2 squared is what? 4 over x squared. Now, the same thing applies. We'll remove this square root by introducing a square. Okay? 4 over x squared square. This cancel this. Don't forget, this square, it's affecting everything in this bracket. So it's going to affect this x as well. So when you say x squared, you have x squared multiplied by x. That's equal to 4 squared is what? 16 over x squared. X squared is what? You have x to the power of 4. Now, this x has a base of a power of 1, an invisible power of 1. So to do this, you're going to add these two powers. 2 x raised to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 16 over x raised to the power of 4. Let me take it up. So now 2 plus 1 is what? 3. We have x raised to the power of 3 is equal to what? 16 over x raised to the power of 4. Okay? Now, at this point, they're going to cross multiply again. Going to cross multiply, we say x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Now, like in the power of indices, we have a number, we have this x with similar bases. Here is x, here is x. So what we'll do now is just add these powers. We'll say x raised to the power 3 plus 4 is equal to 16. So now we'll have x raised to 3 plus 4 is what? 7, right? Then we'll say is equal to 16. What will x be? X will now be equal to the 7th root of 16. That is our answer. Okay? Bye-bye.